Hi everyone, it's Marlene from Anne Arundel Dive Services, and I wanted to introduce you to a product that's been on the market for a while, but I absolutely love it. It's called Capt. Brite Algae and Waterline Cleaner. It is a green product. I guess a competing product would be something like On and Off, and you know how good that stuff is on your fingers. So I wanted to demo this product real quick on a boat that I'm working on, and to show you how I apply it. I pour it onto a rag and I take it to the boat. So, sorry about the wobble there. So here's the spot on the boat. In fact, let me hit my my timer. There we go. And just so you can see how quickly it works. I'm not going to turn off my camera. You'll see a spot just fading away. There you go. And I want you to note again, I'm using my fingers to apply this stuff. You cannot do that with On and Off. So just wanted to show you how very quickly this stuff works. There's my stopwatch. So there you have it. It's Marlene again from Anne Arundel Dive Services. Just wanting to demo a product called Capt. Brite Algae and Waterline Cleaner. Have a great day.